guys, welcome to another vlog. I hope you're all doing well. I'm so sorry, I'm gonna have to like blitz through this intro because the Uber 2 minutes away. We're about to get in a car and go to dinner. Tonight is my birthday celebrations with my mum and dad and also Dan again. Yeah, I didn't see my parents over my birthday weekend because they were actually away at my grandparents. We're all going out for dinner tonight. We're going to the Ivy. I'm literally so excited. I really love the Ivy, like the brasserie. They have such a good menu. So I put on my dress from Millie. This is like the Skims dress that she got me. Let me show you very quickly. Excuse the mess everywhere because it's been pure chaos today. It's been such a busy day. Dress for the night. I literally love this. I feel like very dressy in this dress, but at the same time it's so comfortable that it almost just feels like I'm wearing like PJs because it's Skims and it's so soft. The best arancini ever. Cheers! One of the best starters at the Ivy is the salted crust sourdough.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Dan is about to eat the whole thing.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
We are now like each other. I'm now you when you had me.
We didn't have a house, we barely had jobs.
I know, it was great.
Thanks.
Do you remember this brand that we were looking at in John Lewis?
I do remember it, yes, and they were very nice.
I put them on my birthday list. I was like,
Oh, did you?
anything from this brand, I will very happily
Oh,
take.
Yeah, we were like at the table in John Lewis, and I don't think there was a single one that we didn't like. They were all
so
lovely.
good.
Oh my god, this one reminds me of Christmas. It smells like a Christmas tree. It smells very like fresh and very like, I don't know, it just really reminds me of Christmas.
They last as well, those candles.
Lampshade?
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Do you know what?
That's a proper home present. That,
Yeah, I literally was like, I need home stuff.
That's a proper 25-year-old present.
No, this is...
25-year-old, you
Like
were
a
older.
lampshade. Yes.
Oh, look at me, 50, I got a PlayStation. Absolutely love it as well.
Oh my god,
I'm glad you like it. I'm
Totally
really glad I
love
got
it.
it for you.
Steering wheel all plugged in now.
No,
good to go.
no, exactly.
What brand do you know, like who do you know this from?
Oh god.
I'm obsessed with this man on TikTok. He's like, he does fashion content on, we found him on TikTok, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because, do you know, Instagram's so funny. As soon as I search Cole Buxton, all I get now is Cole Buxton ads. And I saw this hoodie like on, that they'd obviously put as an ad, and I was like, I need it.
I had to laugh because Hannah is just...
That is nice, to be fair.
Hannah is like queen of hoodies. I don't know how many hoodies.
I just love a good hoodie.
And
like,
sorry,
I just
sweat top
love
she's
it.
got, and I'm like, I cannot believe she's put a hoodie down.
This is from you and Pops, is it?
That is so pretty. I have to put my glasses on. It's so shiny as well.
Pretty!
Pretty. It's very dainty.
Yeah, it's very dainty. I like my
You like
dainty
small
bracelets.
stuff,
Should I put it on? Oh, okay, no, that's fine.
Yeah, I'll do
That's
it.
Let's
perfect.
have a look. Oh yeah, no, that's definitely fine.
Yay!
Do you like it?
I love it.
Happy
Thank you so much.
birthday. Oh, my princess. 25. Knocking on now, eh?
Stop it, Jesus Christ.
Welcome.
Happy birthday to me.
What did Rach say?
Happy
Quarter of the way through.
Yeah. I love all my prezzies. I feel
Aww.
very spoiled. It's busy at McDonald's.
It's not even that big. Why are you holding them like that?
Oh, I don't know where to put them.
You sat there with them on your, in your hand.
It's because this one's dribbling. Oh, he makes me dizzy. Dun, 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 dun. We're on an appetite. Would you love to see it? You get a large meal, of course you did.
Forever and always, I'm a big fat bastard, that's why. You know what? It's actually really bad how fast my metabolism is. I reckon it's going to screw my
about
insides.
your fucking heart rate 10 times a week.
No, because we've established that my heart rate is fine.
Yeah, not Dan texting Holly, who is his sister and a nurse, that his heart rate was, what, 120 beats a minute?
Well, so my logic was, and I feel like I just had like a really like broken mental moment. I was like lay there, and I felt my heart rate, and I was like, oh, it feels a bit quick. That maybe I'll count it. So I counted it for 10 seconds, and I said to you, didn't I? I went, oh, that was like that was 12 beats in 10 seconds. So that's like 120 beats a minute.
Dan had texted Hall, who is a nurse and your sister.
Yeah.
That his heart rate was 120 beats a minute. And you can imagine Hall was stressing out of her head.
Yeah, she literally
obviously that would be abnormally high.
Yeah, she texted me back basically immediately
like,
saying, get yourself to a hospital right now. You're about to like have a cardiac arrest and all that. And I'm sat there going like, what are you on about? I'm fine. There's nothing wrong. She
said to me, like, I've counted my heart rate. It was 120 beats a minute. And I was like, that is not right.
Yeah, but I explained to you what I'd done and then you just sat there and went...
No, you didn't, because I counted it myself first. I was like, come here, let me feel your pulse. I did it, and then I was like, it was like 80 beats a minute or whatever. And you were like, I timed it by 10 and not by 6.
You know what's really funny? Like when I was in school, when we did maths, I was basically
you were really good at maths.
I was a mathematical whiz. Like all 3 GCSE exams, I got 60 out of 60 on all 3. I got 108 in maths. Well, I'm not going to eat any of my food until I get home, but mozzarella dippers
don't count.
They can be eaten now. That is finger food.
What your nose out? I'll like put it up a little bit. Did you just listen to anything I just said?
You said put your hand up for the people.
No, I said put your window up a sec.
Put my window up?
Just a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, babe, they're right at the bottom. So you just
that sounds like a you problem. You're gonna have to get them out for me. I'm hungry. Alright, give me my plain double instead then, please.
Give me my plain double.
Give it to me, I'm hungry.
So Dan literally cannot order a McDonald's without getting
like
a large meal and
a double
cheeseburger
and mozzarella dippers as well,
and some sort of like cheese side. It's, what day is it? I was about to say it's Friday. No, it's not.
It's Thursday.
No, it's not. It's Wednesday, isn't it? Tuesday. Oh my god, what day is it?
It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. We've got a McDonald's.
And we're going to enjoy the weather by sitting in the cinema.
Yeah, pretty much. We're going to see Top Gun tonight, which I've not heard a bad word about this film. I've not seen the first one. You've seen the first one, haven't you?
I don't know how you've not watched it.
It's quite an old film though, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's like a classic. And it's so good. Like,
I don't know.
That first film is incredible.
Okay,
it's so good.
But I've said this to you, and I don't know if this is controversial, but I'm not a massive Tom Cruise person. I don't know. Maybe I've just not watched like any of his proper films. I'm always that person, if someone says like, oh, have you seen this? I'm like, no. I have not seen this. Same with TV. Like, I've not really seen like a lot of TV.
Millie does crack the nail on the head though, like when she says that your issue is you struggle to...
Here we go. You about to say my attention span or something?
Yeah, you struggle to like keep locked in on something. It's like you get distracted easily.
No, do you know what it is? I swear I've seen somewhere that this is actually signs of like depression, which is probably true. I rewatch everything. Like I'm such a creature of habit. Like I always rewatch things. Like if it's series, I've always got friends on. If it's films, I rewatch like how many times have I seen The Hobbit? Like so many times. If anyone's seen The Fall that's currently out in the cinema, Dan absolutely lost it over the goats. Like he literally could not stop laughing the whole time.
They were just sick. They were unreal.
You fully got me into the Marvel world now. I do like them.
I'm such a nerd.
No, but I do love it. It's one of my favourite things about you.
It's just funny because like, and I think you even said it when we first started going out, like most people would look at me and go like, there's no way that you're a nerd.
Oh my god, we're on an ABBA hype, guys. Like I actually have an obsession with ABBA at the minute. I need to go to the ABBA bottomless brunch. Not me literally googling it last night whilst we were all out for dinner.
Literally sat in the Ivy having dinner. I'm chatting to your parents and I just look over at you and you're just looking through ABBA tickets on your phone.
I was literally sat on my phone for that long. Dan was like, are you alright? Has something happened? And I was like, I'm trying to find the ABBA bottomless brunch. Like, I want to go. These will forever be my favourite thing that McDonald's does. Mozzarella dippers. Gorgeous. And then I also get them at Plant, but I always ask for mayo instead of like the burger sauce that they do.
Are they gonna get it right this time?
To be fair, yeah, every single time I order this burger, I'm not gonna lie, all I ask for is for the sauce to be switched to mayo, and I feel like, oh, for starters, that's uptight. Oh, do you know what? Nice. Has it just got no sauce?
How do they get it wrong every time?
Every time. No, wait, I'm actually not even joking. Every single time I order this burger, all I say is, please can I have mayo for the sauce, and they either put mayo as well as the other sauce, or they put no sauce. Like, I don't understand. Aww. No, I feel really bad.
Why do you feel bad? because we've had
Because I was just talking to Rachel about this and I literally ruined Alton Towers and now the cinema. We just can't leave the house. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I'm lactose intolerant.
You need to like have like some kind of like checkup where like they do like tests on this kind of stuff, because
Yeah, no, my stomach's not
something's
right.
definitely not right.
Although it's been worse since we got food poisoning on holiday. Anyway, we didn't see Top Gun.
No, I saw about 45 minutes of it.
Oh my god, that girl that scanned our tickets was a subscriber. Catherine, if you're watching, didn't even see the film. Look at my cake. This is my cake from Mads.
So what kind of cake are we? Well, it's blatantly a chocolate cake.
Chucky cake. Chucky cake with cherry, I think. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good.
Butcher this piece. Oh wow.
Miss Madison the baker. It's now Wednesday. I've just finished doing my hair and makeup for the master label party tonight, which I'm so excited for. I'm literally just about to order an Uber and go to Mads. Yeah, I've just done basically the same makeup that I've been wearing all the time recently, which is the makeup that I did in my flannels video. Curled my hair. I've got an outfit from Mars that I think I'm gonna wear. Suddenly so excited for a drink. I don't know what's got into me recently, but I really do have a taste for it. I'm gonna take some tequila. I'm gonna pack my bag, and yeah, we're gonna go out tonight. We're in the same color. Yeah. There's not gonna be a next song either, so it's just all I can lick it, I can cook it. What's the next song? Oh, this is not a song. You were giving like do 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 do. Gonna let you know. Honestly, last night was one of the most fun nights I've ever had. I feel like we just had such a good time. We were dancing all night, we had drinks, we went to the club. I've not actually been to a club since, I don't think since before COVID, or like I've definitely not been to like a club in Manchester since before COVID. That set, that blue set, probably one of my favorite things I've ever worn again. I think it's actually on sale as well, or at least the skirt's on sale, so I'll try and link it down below. But yeah, we just had so much fun. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I feel like it's genuinely just been the most random vlog ever. Also, can we just appreciate this little like Vivienne Westwood bracelet that my mum and dad got me for my birthday, because I never actually showed you. I realized when I was like editing the clip of unboxing my presents, you couldn't really see very well what I actually got. So my mum and dad got me this bracelet, which I really love. I kind of just love having like little bracelets like this. I have this one that obviously was from Mads for, I want to say it's for my 23rd birthday. Wow, that's crazy. Do you know what? I stayed at Mads last night and we were up for ages talking about like how long ago certain things feel like when we lived together in lockdown, that just feels like the longest time ago. I don't think I'd actually stayed at her flat since we lived together. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling anyway because I've got to get to the gym. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I don't know what to film for next week yet. I feel like me and Dan should probably film like a proper video together. We've been saying this because even just if it's like a come drive with me or some sort of like Q&A or something. Let me know like what you guys want to see. But yeah, I just wanted to round this video off. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I hope you're all having a lovely week. Like I said, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, even though it was very random and sporadic and chaotic. Yeah, I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one.